Today, what we're going to do is just a little activity. I think it's going to be fun. I'll walk you through it and you guys can make your own. We're going to be discussing an artist by the name of Romero Britto, and he is a Brazilian artist. And I'm going to show you some of his work. We're going to discuss it a little bit, and then I'm going to show you a how-to on something that you can create in class. This is Romero Britto. Again, he is a Brazilian artist who came onto the scene with all of his bright, vibrant colors and very pop art-like work. What you notice is that all the black lines are very dark. It's very cartoon-like, but it's very bright and it's colorful. And he's actually said that his art is very happy. He wants his artwork to be happy. I do want to show you that he was commissioned by Audi to paint a car. He's actually painted several of them. So he's very well known. You're going to get to choose what you actually want to do with your project. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do a landscape today. This will be a grade, so please don't blow it off and chat with your friends the entire class period. Romero Britto and a landscape, or seascape if that's what you choose. The first thing you want to do in any landscape or even seascape is you want to create a horizon line. So with your pencil, you're going to draw a line. So for the landscape, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating a sun, like it's going to be a sunset. And so that it is like Romero Britto, sorry, my pencil is bad. I'm going to come in and create spaces. And then I'm going to create a flower field here, a few hills, and some more land here. Okay, and in each of these sections, I'm going to create a different design. Circles here. Maybe I want to create a pattern of some sort. And not every section has to have a pattern, but it does kind of look good if you choose to do so. If you have your own black Sharpie marker, you may use it, but you will not be getting any black Sharpie markers from the sub today. If you have just the regular markers, I've provided a box for each table. You guys should not be sharing each other's boxes. If you are waiting for a color, you just wait for your table mate or use a different color until it's time. If you have the Sharpie, you can go ahead and use it to start outlining all those black lines. But remember, you want to make them good and thick and dark. If you don't have a Sharpie and you are using just a black regular marker from Crayola or another type of marker that is washable, then my suggestion would be to do this part last. If you come in and color, let's say, a section, and there's already black down, especially with the yellow, the colors will bleed into each other, and then you will not have yellow. You'll have some other grungy color. If you have a Sharpie, you can go over all the lines first. If you don't have a Sharpie, then I highly suggest you color first and then go over the marker with black. Seascape. Create your horizon line. This in pencil, not in marker, because if you mess up, you'll be sad. I think I'm going to put maybe a sun over here where it's going to be a sunset. So I'm going to come in and maybe I'm going to do more of a variety of lines. I can create a boat here. And the lovely thing about using a pencil and drawing lightly is I can then come in and erase anything I don't want, because obviously you're not going to see the boat's bottom if it is in the water. Let's do this sailboat. Let's see. I'm just going to do a very simple sailboat. And then each section has a design in it. It can be a simple design or it can be an elaborate design. So here is the final piece. And again, if you have Sharpie, go ahead and go over all of your lines with black. And if you do not have a Sharpie of your own, then go over all of your color first and then come in. You can use your phone for ideas if you want to look at some of Romero Britto's artwork. After you watch this video, you are welcome to, but I shouldn't see anything that looks exactly like his. Have fun with it. I don't expect it to get done today, so if you do finish it today, it means you've worked too quickly. Have a good time.